Welcome back friends. Yesterday we have solved some example by doing the cross multiplication. Okay, same we have to solve exercise 2.6 related to that topic. So first example is that 8x minus 3 divide 3x is equal to 2. 8x minus 3 divide 3x is equal to 2. Now you can see here denominator is 1. Here you need to consider denominator 1. Now cross multiplication. 1 is multiplied with 8x minus 3 and 3x is multiplied with 2. So it is 8x minus 3. If you multiply 1 with 8x minus 3, it is as it is. 2 multiplied with 3x. Now it will 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Now 6x on right side. On left side it become negative and minus 3 on right side become plus 3. So it is 8x minus 6x is equal to 3. Here no number is there, so we need to add 3 into 0. 0 में 3 add करो तो 0 जाएगा because here no constant is there. Okay. Now 8x minus 6x that is 2x is equal to 3. 2 is in multiplication become division on right side. 3 become x is equal to 3 by 2. You can check your answer by write value of x in the equation. X ni value equation में मुको. If answer is 2 then your answer is correct. For next example that is 9x minus 7 minus 6x is equal to 15. Again here denominator is 1. So again you need to multiply 1 with 9x and 7 minus 6x with 15. If you multiply 1 with 9x, you will get 9x. 15 multiplied with 7 minus 6x. 9x. 15 7 is 105. 15 6 is 90x. Now 90x and this is 9x. These are like terms. So 90x on left side become plus 90x. So 9x plus 90x is equal to 105. 9 plus 90, it is 99x is equal to 105. Now 99x in a divide, so it is x is equal to 105 divided by 99. Now you can cut the common factor. So if you factorize 105, you will get 21 5s and here you will get 11 9s. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. 7 5s are 35 divided by 33. This is your answer. For next one, z divide z plus 15 is equal to 4 by 90. Cross multiplication. 9 is multiplied with z and z plus 15 is multiplied with 4. So z multiplied with 9 and 4 is multiplied with z plus 15. Now it is 9z is equal to 4z plus 60. 4 is multiplied with both term into the bracket. 4 multiplied with z it is 4z and 4 multiplied with 15 it is 60. Now 4z on right left side it become minus 4z because we are combining number with the variable on one side. So 9z minus 4z is equal to 60. 9 minus 4 5z is equal to 60. 5 will be in a divide because it is multiplication. You can cut the common factor. So z is equal to 12. Now for fourth one, 3y plus 4 divide 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 divide 5. Cross multiply. 5 is multiplied with 3y plus 4 and minus 2 is multiplied with 2 minus 6y. Be careful whenever you are multiplying negative number with the term. So 5 is multiplied with 3y plus 4 and minus 2 is multiplied with 2 minus 6y. Open the bracket. 5 is multiplied with 3y it is 15 by 5 4s are 20 is equal to minus 2 multiplied with 2 that is minus 4 and minus 2 multiplied with minus 6 is minus plus 12y. Okay, minus 2 multiplied with 2 is minus 4 and minus 2 minus 6 is plus 12. Now combining variable on one side and constant on one side. So 15y, 12y on left side become minus 12y, plus 20 on right side become minus 20. 15 minus 12 is 3y is equal to minus 24. Now 3 in a divide. Cut the common factor, so y is equal to minus 3. Fifth example, 3y plus 4 divided by plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by 3. Again cross multiplication, 3 is multiplied with 7y plus 4 and minus 4 is multiplied with y plus 2. So 3, 7y plus 4 and minus 4 is multiplied with y plus 2. Open the bracket, 7 is multiplied with 3 that is 21y and 3 is multiplied with 4, 12. Minus 4 is multiplied with y is minus 4y and minus 4 multiplied with 2 is minus 8. Again combine the variable on one side and constant on other side. So minus 4y become plus 4y, so 21y plus 4y, minus 8 and minus 12 become, plus 12 become minus 1. 21 plus 4, 25y is equal to minus 20. 25 that is in a multiplication become division. You can cut the common factor, 5 4s and 5 5s. So y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Continue our example. Here we will solve example 7 first and then example 6. Okay. So what is example 7? The denominator of a natural number is greater than its numerator by 8. Okay. What is the statement? Numerator, in a numerator and denominator is greater than by 8. Okay. If numerator is x, then denominator will be x plus 8. Because in a statement it is written in a natural number, denominator is greater than by 8 than numerator. If the numerator is increased by 17 and denominator is decreased by 8, the number obtained is 3 by 2. Find the number. Okay. After that, what you have to do? Increase the numerator by 8, 17. So if let's say the numerator is x, then if we increase 17, then it will be x plus 17. And decrease the denominator by 1. So what will we assume for a denominator? Denominator पहला तो numerator करता 8 increase है तो so it will be x plus 8 અને પછી એમાંથી decrease 1 કરવાનું means it will be x plus 7. But it is whatever answer we get, it is 3 by 2. હવે જે numerator અને denominator find કરીએ after 17 adding and 1 subtracting, we will get number 3 by 2. Then find the number. So first we have to start. Let numerator is x. If numerator is x, then denominator will be x plus 8 because it is increased by, means it is more than numerator. Now numerator is increased by 17, so it becomes x plus 17, and denominator is decreased by 1, so it becomes x plus 8 minus 1 x plus 7. So what will be the number? X plus 17 that is numerator and x plus 7 that is denominator. But this number is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, it is given that the number obtained is 3 by 2 means whenever you increase numerator by 17 and denominator decrease by 1, you will get 3 by 2. Now again this is the equation we already solved in a previous example. So cross multiplication, 2 is multiplied with x plus 17 and 3 is multiplied with x plus 7. So we will get x plus 7. Open the bracket, 2x, 7 2s are 34, 3x plus 21. Now variable one side and constant on other side. So we will move 3x on this side, 2x. What is the sign of 3x? It is positive become negative, and 34, that is positive become negative. 2x minus 3x, so it is minus x because bigger number is minus 3 and sign of 3 is minus. Here you will get 13. So x is equal to, minus 13, so x is equal to 30. Here 34 is bigger number, so you will get minus sign in the answer. Now what is x? That is a numerator, but you need to find denominator, so denominator will be x plus 8, that is 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. So our number is 13 by 20. Okay. Now, example 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in a ratio 5:7. Ratio is given. Age of Hari is according to the 5 and Harry will be 7. So, if the ratio is given, then how can we write the number? 5x will be Hari's age and 7x will be Harry's age. 4 years from now. 4 years from now means after 4 years. So, if Hari age is 5x, then after 4 years it is 5x plus 4. And if Harry age is 7x, then after 4 years his age will be 7x plus 4. The ratio of their ages will be 3:4. But if you take the age after 4 years, the ratio will be 3/4. Find the present ages. We already saw this kind of example yesterday. Na video mein aapne ek example aao solve karelo. Same we have to apply same. That is let Hari's age is 5x and Harry's age is 7x. After 4 years, Hari's age will be 5x plus 4 and Harry's age will be 7x plus 4. But if you take out the ratio of this, you will get 3:4. So we can write 5x plus 4 divide 7x plus 4 is equal to 3/4. Now cross multiplication. 4 is multiplied with 5x plus 4 and 3 is multiplied with 7x plus 4. Open the bracket. 5 is multiplied with 4, 20x plus 4 is multiplied with 4, 60 is equal to 3 is multiplied with 7, 21x. 3 is multiplied with 12. 3 is multiplied with 4, that is 12. Now, variable on one side, so we move 20 on this side and 12 on left side. So, 16 minus 12, where is positive become subtraction and 20 is positive become subtraction from 21. So, you will get x is equal to 4. But this is not Hari or Harry ages. We need to find by writing value of x into the 5x and 7. So Hari age will be, that is 5x, 5 into 4, 20 years, and Harry's age, that is 7x, 7 into 4, 28 years.